I'm gonna get on out the way. I ain't come here to stay. I just to say, hey. Medicine Man, great big old controller, smooth cruising this Suburban. I'm just warming up. Bye.
You Captain Digger, just warming up that damn Suburban. Don't run out of gas, Captain Digger. Cause I told them boys a while ago up here in Duck Lake and Buckeye, man, it's cold out here in the Magnolia. Don't run out of gas, Captain Digger. It's cold in the Magnolia. Now I'm gonna break it out and say cool. In the morning it's gonna be cold. We ain't used to 30 Duck Lake and Captain Digger degrees weather down south in the Magnolia. Man, it's cold out here. My wheelchair needs a damn Captain Digger heater on it. That controller, send me your heater, Bobby.
I'm gonna send it to you next day here, Medicine Man. Because I do not need you out here delivering that medicine in the cold, man. And I don't even want you to catch pneumonia or nothing on that duck plucking in. I'm going to send you this heater next day here. Hello, Medicine Man, the big man controller, Mr. 2 Alternator, right back. Come on, let's ride.
You're 2 Alternator, no doubt about it. And I thank you, Captain Digger. I thank you. I get that damn heater and put it on that damn wheelchair and keep Duck looking warm. I gotta go out here delivering pills with a damn wheelchair now. I ain't got no problem. My wheelchair backing up. And I've been saying it, killing these boys, but they don't want to believe me. My wheelchair go backwards on that Duck looking in. Hell, I got a motor on it, Captain Digger. I got a motor on it, and them boys want me to put some damn Lisa Bills on my damn wheelchair. I can borrow them Lisa Bills too. Controller, I'm getting the heater. Can I get a Lisa Bills too on my wheelchair brake?
I'm going to send you a heater and a motor mount. All you need is this heater I'm going to send you, and I'm going to put a motor mount on that duck plucking wheelchair, man. That's a duck sucker real. We're going to put 4 12-volt batteries. You're going to be at 48 volts. Hey, Medicine Man, you're going to be at 48 volts with this motor mall. You're going to be able to run a 24 pin on that duck plucking in. Hello, Medicine Man, controller, smooth cruising this Suburban. Come on, let's ride.
Again, Captain Digger. Thank you again, boy. Best Christmas present on that Captain Digger in, boy. Hell, I ain't starting no 24. I'm going to 32 or 64, Captain Digger. You mean 2 more to my mall that Duck Lake in. I ain't never run one, but back in the days I heard about that in. Hell, I run a damn 64 on that damn in with this wheelchair. A 64 pill running around. Hey, controller, this getting close to Christmas time, Captain Digger. Anything goes. It's better to give than receive. Oh, Medicine Man rolling on down the land go.
And I slow key to let you know I got it all, man. I wanted you to let me know if I had any background singers on that duck bucket in. Hey, Medicine Man, you said it's better to give than receive. Well, you're going to receive this. That's the sucker real. I'm going to send you the heater and the motor mall, and we're going to put 4 duck bucket batteries on that duck bucket in. Hey, you're going to be delivering your stuff in fine style. Hello, Medicine Man, Mr. Controller, working this mobile, right?
To break in the damn drugstore. And you know they don't let that no freebies. They ain't getting no freebies. Hey, controller, take care, Captain Digger. You and this damn big ass Suburban old Medicine Man say have a good night.
I'm going to be the security guard like Mr. Otis on Martin Lawrence, man. Hey, Medicine Man, I'm going to be the security guard. Call me Mr. Otis. I'm not letting them duck pluckers in. Hello, Medicine Man, Mr. Otis, known as Controller. I'm not letting them in the drugstore. Medicine Man, welcome to the weekend. Mr. Otis, Controller said bye.
Hey, controller, I hesitate on that duck looking in. Oh, Nighthawk got 5 lines coming out. Hello, Nighthawk. Nighthawk, I hear you, man, but no controller don't want nobody to come in, and I'm gonna take this damn wheelchair and run over damn 5 lines with a damn 4 pill.
one foot in. I only let one foot in, man. Watch how I cut it off. I'm going to cut the other one off. I'm going to cut the other one off. Hey, Medicine Man, Mr. Otis, better known as Controller, said, I let the 1 foot in the drug show so I could cut it off. That's the show. Medicine Man, do you watch my Dodger? Break, break, break.
Fast and keyed on me. Told me not to even come out here no damn more. Hell, I'm out here in a damn wheelchair backing up when it end broke down just on a damn 4-pill, and that boy just need a little chastising. That's why I keyed up. Come back. We're coming back. You hear what I said, Night Outbreak? Now, this is Doug Luggin, drugstore station, about 50 years old. I got out here. This technology. That's all I can do is put technology now. But I get those station back up to snuff. Hey, Night Owl, I'm just out here using my damn right to use my radio there, folks. Magnolia, everybody else, I guess they took a commercial break like I'm finna do. Merry Christmas to you, my friend. That everybody hear me out here. It's been a while since we talked in the Carolina. I'm still down here doing what I do best. Walk the walk, talk the talk. Oh, Medicine Man, Night Off. Now watch me back it back down with this wheelchair in reverse going.
Tell Night Owl I kicked him out the store. Tell him Controller said I kicked his ass straight out the store because he ain't have no money. He didn't have no money for them pills, so I kicked his ass out the store. Medicine Man, Controller said I'm still warming up. Bye, 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 bye. Not touch. He was supposed to look and not touch. He started touching stuff, man. So I had to walk him to the door and kick his ass straight out. That's for sure. Hey, Medicine Man, tell him I said happy right back on that end. Medicine Man, Mr. Otis, better known as Controller, said I kicked their ass out the drugstore.
Yeah, he want me to tell you something, but God, they call old Big Chief now. Let me get back out of the way. Hey, Scott, oh, Medicine Man, say you don't get the good stuff off the top shelf down here with your prescription card. You ain't okay. They ain't gonna lose my license. You got a prescription. A lot of cow niggas think I'm a doctor. No, I'm a pharmacy. Hey, Scott, the pharmacy wide open. Bye-bye.
I kicked Skyhawk ass out too. Hey, Medicine Man, I kicked Skyhawk ass out too. Tell him I said he got to go, he got to go, he got to go. Hey, Medicine Man, Mr. Otis, Controller said bye, bye, bye.
Crying 20 feet off the ground, but I can still hear that cow nigga Controller back here, that Doug Luggin, he trying to throw you out. But that cow nigga working good 5 feet off the ground. Them damn Joe Guns finding good. Look like I'm gonna have to go to the damn Joe Guns, back to the Joe Guns. I ain't doing no work in a wagon wheel special. A remodified wagon wheel special. Yes, indeed. I talked to mobiles and flat side. I got a capacity to talk to mobiles and flat side. A Controller. Old Medicine Man. Hey, Scott, look at old Medicine Man with his bad-ass drugstore go.
Tell him I said no. Tell him I said we don't take no food stamps on that dumb fucking name, Medicine Man. Hey, medicine man, controller said we don't take no damn food stamp. I'ma kick their ass out on that end. Hello, medicine man, controller, bite.
Alright, you skyhawk up on the duck leg of the instruction, let duck leg it in, man. Hey, all down here in the Magnolia, the damn drugstore, all live and living color. Listen to me later, man. I gotta get in here and get back to my damn inventory, that duck leg it in, skyhawk. Hey, skyhawk, some slew for the cow me stole a damn blue pill again. Birth control pill, I mean. That was a blue pill, colorblind. Stole a damn birth control pill. Oh, Skyhawk, I gotta find out who stole that birth control pill, my buddy.
I'ma kick Skyhawk out too. Skyhawk gonna get kicked out too, medicine man. Hey, medicine man, I had to put a little bit more up in there to kick Skyhawk ass out too. Medicine man, I'ma kick Skyhawk ass out too. Bye.
I don't know what a birth control pill gonna do to a damn woman. I mean, a man. I don't know what a birth control pill do to a man, but I know what these blue pills do to a duck-legged man. I know what my blue pill will do. Oh, up in the sky. Hey, night off. Y'all take it easy. Take care of me and this drugstore going. I won't forget on that duck laid in. Hey, Scott, toodaloo. I'm through with you. Me and this broken down drugstore is gone. Mr. Good Intention. How about it, Skyhawk? You got a copy. Mr. Good, waving, brother. Shaka Diamond? Shaka Diamond? Man, I'm looking in the Carolinas. Hello to you, worldwide Shaka Diamond, the living legend, Mr. Good Intention, waving, breaker.
Hey, Good Intention, great big old controller. Hello, Good Intention, great big old controller. Hello, Good Intention, controller, the mobile, bite.
Man, I couldn't understand. Somebody keeps up. Man, I couldn't understand nothing after that. Man, somebody keyed up. And after that, I couldn't understand nothing. Mr. Good with no condition. Bye-bye.
Let me make it easy for you, Good Intention controller. Hello, good intention, gray big old controller, smooth cruising this Suburban. Hello, good intention, controller, trying to get your attention. Right.
It's still rough, man, but you made it better, though. Hey, controller, you said let you make it better, easier, better, something. You made it better, but it's still rough. You're not controlling things. You're not living up to your name, but you're on top. Hard to stop. Controller, how you doing, brother?
All is well on this end, man. Hey, Mr. Good Intention, controller said all is well on this end, man. I got to thank God, that's for sure. Hello, Mr. Good Intention. I'm going to try to make it a little bit better right there. Good Intention, come here.
We're getting better, but from time to time it gets worse. Because this is a guy, it's a snotty-nosed captain chopper. I don't call him by his name. But it's a snotty-nosed captain. Niggas say you doing what he let you do. But I don't call him by his name, though. Take care, controller. Mr. Good, get down.
It is what it is, going to be what it's going to be. Hey, Good Intention, controller said it is what it is, going to be what it's going to be. Hello, Good Intention, controller, right back. Come on, let's ride.
Brad, hey, Brad, I thought you were controlling things. Hey, Brad. Controller took my radio that time, heard you in the background. But that time around, controller had that hammer down. Y'all take care. Mr. Good is out.
I'm going to make it a little bit better right there. I'm going to do it like this one time, make it a little bit better. Hey, Good Intention, controller said bye.
I see why your name is Controller. Goodness gracious, bro. Oh, Brad's keyed up saying something. Clock up. Make it a little bit better right here, right now. Hey, controller, boy. You in a shootout mode. Take care, controller. Mr. Good, get down.
How it sound right there? How do they sound right there? Good Intention, no pain, no strain. I can do it anytime I get ready, man. I got like 4 more years to go if I wanted to do it. Put in later, Good Intention, your little brother said bye.
Well, you my nephew. Controller, don't get beside yourself now. You my nephew. Hey, controller. Man, what you doing, man? Hey, controller. Goodness gracious. Hey, you the tornado champ, right? Hey, controller, you the tornado champ. What are you? Because right now you're controlling things. They're your background, but you got that thing down. Controller, Mr. Good, get down.
Look how slow key. Hey, Good Intention, look how I just slow keyed on him, man. When I'm working this bad active mobile on that bucket end. Put on later, Good Intention. Look at controller. Mr. Good Intention, controller said bye.
You saw Brian was on the mall saying something. Brian was trying to tell you to drop a hot potato or something. Brian was trying to tell you to drop a hot potato. But here you come, you're so keyed, but you're so keyed. Goodness gracious. Woo! Man, don't y'all know it's Christmas time? Take care, Mr. Good, get down.
One last time so they know it wasn't a flu. So they can't say it was conditioned. I don't want no back talk. Hey, Good Intention, tell them I said I don't want no back talk on that dumb fucking end. I'm going to go back in the regular mode, but they can't mess with me in shootout mode. Good Intention, controller said that. I ain't taking it back. Bye.
I was on the mall saying something like drop it like it's hot, but boy, you so keyed again and drop the bomb. Drop the bomb on the key. Hey, controller. Man, you ought to stop that, man. Hey, take care. Put on your later, controller. Mr. Good, get down. Hell, man. When you put on the antenna, you put that tuner on your antenna, you start doing it anyhow, bitch. Take care, man. With the cool ass reviews of DCC, they'll tell you who you I guarantee to you, I'm not. He didn't key, but somebody keyed before you did, Brad. I don't sound like a person in voice. Somebody keyed before you did, so tell him that. And you so key to say, you don't want him by yourself. He's real sticky. What the hell would actually mean? His hands are sticky. Come on, you later, Brad. Bye-bye.
I ain't keyed in, but I definitely keyed now. I didn't key the last time, but I did key now. Tell them I said sit back and read the mail. If I don't key, you won't never hear them, Good Intention. So you see how it goes down right now. Get attention. Look at controller smooth groove. Said bye bye bye.
Hey, controller, in other words, if you do not key, I will not hear thee. Hey, controller, if you do not key, I will not hear thee. But when you do key, all I can hear you talking to me. Hey, controller, you got it down, bro. Take care, controller. Mr. Good, keep it real. Bye-bye.
I'm going back. I'm going to give him a fighting chance after this one. I'm going to give him a fighting chance after this one. Good attention. We'll already let you get attention. Controller. Mr. 2 alternator, the CEO of the 10-8 Mobile Nation said bye bye bye.
You got it down too, man. Brad, he's still trying. I give him A for effort. You said after this key, you're going to give him a fair chance. I can tell it's going to be fair. What, you going to tell him 1 hour later? You going to tie your hand behind your back? You going to put a blindfold on you? Hey, controller, how the hell, man, you going to make it fair? Bye.
I'm going to give him a fighting chance right there. Get attention. Controller said I'm giving him a fighting chance right there. Bye bye bye.
You got real. Somebody said eagle. Brad's walked in about it now. Brad's walked in. Controller might be telling the truth. Controller must have backed it down because Brad was on top that time. Somebody said somebody eagle. Later. Hey, Brad's good getting down. Good to this thing. See you later, the man with the CRCD is the big chief. Go. Bye-bye. So you're by yourself for 5 or 6 years. You say you don't want him, you want him to think he in the street by himself. Well, I tell you what, Mr. Brass, for about 5 or 6 keys, that Captain Bigger was walking the back streets alone. Captain Bigger had it going on. I ain't gonna tell you nothing wrong. Hey, Brass, Mr. Good is out.
They want that right there. They want that right there. Tell them that 7 times. Hey, it's good attention. Tell them that 7 times. That's my DC. Good attention. Bye bye bye.
Maybe him can't take. Hey, Brad, he come back. Hey, Brad, you made him double back, Brad. Hey, Brad, let him go. Hey, Brad, let that Negro go. I don't slip, Brad. Let that cab driver go. Let that hero go. I don't slip, Brad. Hey, Brad. Hey, Brad, let him double back. Brad, Mr. Good, get down. I can't. Please tell what the man with 2 hours he needs.
Be quiet. Be quiet. I ain't gonna do it no more. Get attention. Controller said bye bye bye.
Yeah, Brad been there that time though. Brad said y'all friends. Sure did. Take care, put on y'all later, man. Boy, y'all got some hell down this evening. Take care, Brad. Take care, put on you later. Mr. Controller, boy, that's 7 or 8 keys though. Take care. 5 minutes, I'm coming right there. Controller, I wish you well, jingle bell, Mr. Good is getting down. But you said, he said, hey, wait a minute, Bryce. Hey, Bryce, he must have told you first, and then you keyed up and said, he said. Hey, Bryce, he didn't key. So he must have told you because he didn't tell me. Take care, Captain Chopper. It's been fun, but I got to run. Bye-bye. Okay, my brother. You talking? Hey, nephew, I didn't hear you. You put a no contact on me. Ain't that's a nephew breaker. TT for a while. Trying to come out. I gotta go to the I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Yeah, I heard you a while ago. Eagle. I called you while I heard you a while ago. So did you keyed up with all them guys a minute ago, but you left the building. Take care, Eagle. Hey, Eagle, Mr. Good. Breaker. Tell y'all that on, Eagle. I kept making brass and special controller had my radio. Eagle, but I heard you in the mix though. Take your point later. I wish you well, wish you well. Jingle bell, jingle bell. Eagle, Mr. Good, getting down.
Controller get 3 for the price of 1. I ain't doing this no more, but I let them know I'm reading the mail. Controller said bye bye bye.
Man, controller, all he want to do is key on y'all. You talking that funny stuff. I want to laugh. Hey, Brad, you said, wait a minute, Brad. It's controller plug right here. Hey, Brad, you you said all that I want to do is catch a rat or something. Don't a cat catch a rat? Don't they got regular rat traps? Hey, Brad, what you say? Hey, Brad, controller plug in my ears, breaking. A cat chase a rat. I don't do that now. Right now, he's one of my heroes. Hey, Brad, you say you can't do no control. He ain't key that side. I can't make got my radio though. Hey, Brad, don't talk about Nighthawk. He's one of my favorites. I promise you, he's one of my favorites. Don't do that, Brad. Bye.
Get attention, controller with that. Say bye bye bye.
This is it. This is it. What's that name of that picture I saw? This is it. Hey, he kept me out here with nursery rhymes. Controller done lost his rabbit mind. He kept me out here by singing nursery rhymes. I'm gonna get out of here, y'all. I'm out of here. Bye bye.
Tried to key, the controller took him out. Put on your later controller with this big mobile said bye bye bye.
Goodness. Man, you got 15, 20 dBs in front of everybody. Want to know who I'm talking to. I ain't calling his name, man. This cat me. This cat me a man, Onion. I ain't gonna call his name. I ain't gonna do that. I ain't gonna say that. Y'all take care of Mr. Good. I'm back out. Nothing, Jimmy. Just over here slow walking this painkiller. I'll see you. Bye-bye. I want to wish y'all a real good holiday season. Hey, Jimmy, down there, your friend Dylan up here right back. Hey, Brad, tell JB, tell Big John, tell Johnson, JS, tell BJS I said hello. Tell BJS I said hello.
Guys later. The big man controller is mobile.
Yeah, I keyed up, man. I saw you was having to strain your ears with some of them duck pluckers. And I didn't want you straining your ears, so I thought I'd put something in here where your ears wouldn't have to be under no test. Sit down, you polar bear. Take care, Rascal. Boy, you sounded good, too. Take care, polar bear. Mr. Good, get back in there, 410.
about to go get me something to eat and take it on in. Good night later, good intended controller with this mobile. Said bye bye bye.
So you're going in the right direction. That's Big John. You're a bear. I can tell what you son out there. You got to go in the right direction while you're working on it. Check it. We're around polar bear. Mr. Gator, come down there. Tell if I was in the Magnolia to check it in. Yeah, I'd tell him you over 413. Don't get scared. It ain't yours. You just bootlegging at 413 out.